Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you choose your gender on your Google Chrome app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for your list like this, and you click here on settings, and it's going to take here in this window, then you just click here on sync, and it's going to take you to next step, and you go down here, then you click here on Google activity controls here, and it's going to take you to next step here, and you just go down, then you click here on say all activity controls, and it's going to take you to next step here, and you just go down here, then you click here on go to your Google account, then it's going to take you to next step here, and you just go up, you click here on personal info, and it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down, you click here on gender, and here you choose your gender here if you want to female or male or rather not say, and here if you want to choose who can see your gender, and it's going to add video on your Google Chrome app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.